If your faucets are covered in white, chalky buildup or your water pressure feels weak and frustrating, you might have a serious hard water problem. And if you live in the Coachella Valley, you're not alone. Our region has some of the hardest water in the country, and over time, it can wreck your plumbing, your appliances, and even your wallet. Hi, I'm from Anthem Plumbing, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how hard water is damaging your home or business, and what you can do about it before it costs you thousands. So what exactly is hard water? It's water with a high mineral content, mostly calcium and magnesium. These minerals might not be harmful to drink, but they are a nightmare for your plumbing.
We'll get right back to today's program. But first, let me share something that can save homeowners in the Coachella Valley and Riverside area, both time and money. It's our Comfort Club membership, a simple, affordable way to keep your HVAC system running at its best. For just $14.95 a month, we'll come out twice a year, once in the spring and once in the fall, to service your system. We'll replace your filter, ensure your air conditioner or heater is running efficiently and safely, and even drain your water heater once a year to extend its life and improve performance. Regular maintenance doesn't just save you on energy bills, it also extends the life of your system, saving you thousands in the long run. And if you have more than one unit, it's just an additional $10.95 per unit per month. Click the link in the description to sign up and become a Comfort Club member today. It's peace of mind year-round. Now, back to our regularly scheduled program.
As water flows through your pipes, it leaves behind mineral deposits, creating a chalky, rock-like buildup. This clogs pipes, weakens water pressure, and forces your appliances to work harder, which shortens their lifespan. Think about it. Your water heater, dishwasher, and washing machine all rely on a steady flow of water. But when scale builds up, your water heater has to work twice as hard just to get hot water to your shower. That means higher energy bills and expensive breakdowns. And let's talk about those white spots on your dishes and faucets. That's hard water buildup in action. No matter how much you scrub, the minerals keep coming back unless you fix the root of the problem. So what's the solution? The best way to protect your plumbing and appliances is with a professionally installed water softener. A water softener removes those damaging minerals before they ever reach your pipes, keeping your water clean, clear, and flowing properly. At Anthem, we specialize in water softener installations designed specifically for Coachella Valley homes and businesses. We assess your water, customize a solution, and install a system that saves you money in the long run. With a water softener, you'll have better water pressure, longer-lasting appliances, and no more ugly white stains on your sinks and showers. Plus, you'll extend the life of your plumbing system, saving you from expensive repairs down the road. So, if you're tired of dealing with hard water, let's fix it for good. Call Anthem today for a free hard water assessment, and let's get your plumbing back in top shape. Click the link below to schedule your consultation now. Your plumbing deserves better. Anthem is here to help.